Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to show you how to find or get your sprint ID or number here in Jira. Let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do is to log in using your credentials. If this is your first time in Jira, I need you to click the sign up option, and from here just follow the on-screen instructions and you're good to go. Finding the sprint ID or number in Jira is a straightforward process that can be useful for various tasks such as querying data via the API, creating reports, or managing sprints programmatically. Now, once you are here, I want you to make sure that you need to do some few of the things by going to the backlog view, because you want to make sure that you have a sprint action if you haven't already. We have a separate video on how to create a sprint that you might want to check on our channel. After that, I need you to go to the filters, go to view all filters, click that, view all issues. What will happen is you will be forwarded here. Now you want to make sure that you need to switch to the Jira query option, and that's going to be this option here, JQL. So right now we're in the basic. If you switch on the JQL, you see you need to put in a specific code. Now, I want you to remove all these, and I want you to type in. Now, I want you to type in sprint. That's the first thing that you need to do. Space, equal sign, space, and the name of the sprint that you are looking for. And I believe that's going to be deep laugh. There you go. So I have a deep laughs sprint 1, which is going to be this ID 2024-827 1804-37 38 and 39. So it's all up to you if you wanted to. For example, I'm gonna click on the first one. If you do that, that's gonna be this sprint 37. All right, so that's how you find and get this sprint ID or number. And if you, let's say, again hover to another one, that's gonna be sprint 2, and that's that. Okay, the other thing is the other sprint number. Now, it's usually displayed in the sprint's name as part of the UI when you view active sprint. The good thing about retrieving the sprint ID is that it enables precise querying, supports custom development, and of course enhances the overall project by tracking the accountability, whether for analytical purposes, integration needs, or troubleshooting. Sprint IDs play a crucial role in managing workflows and ensuring project success. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you in the next video.